cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.
Hi guys, welcome back. We are here today to open my early birthday presents. So, y'all ready to see what's in the boxes? I'm excited.
All right, what do we got from Clint Eastwood? Clint Eastwood sent you something. Oh no. That's awesome. Whips out a knife like a pro. I was going to hand you a knife. You already come prepared.
I'm always prepared and ready.
I like it. What did Clint Eastwood send you? Some rawhide? Ooh.
A jumbo wrench
5-piece
set.
jumbo SAE wrench set from Eastwood. Thank you, Clint.
Super excited to use those.
Those would be nice. We needed some bigger ones.
Okay.
Jigs. See what Jigs hooked you up with. Anything from Jigs will be good.
Oh, we got the fun bubble wrap.
Ah,
I'm gonna play with that later.
yeah.
Okay.
Love jumping up and down on those. Oh, got some kind of gasket or something. Uh-oh.
There's two. Okay.
Oh, that's the lights?
Should we open this box too?
Let's see. Wait, what's it say? 78, 81 cam tail lights. That's for the Camaro. 71 Camaro tail lights. Cause yeah, you can open one if you want and show it to them. Because these are in dire shape. These are the original. And these things ain't cheap. I remember back in the day, you could buy them for like $50. Now they're closer to $200 a piece.
Oh yeah.
Oh, new lens and the gaskets that come with it. Sweet. Alright, you can hold one up there. You ain't got to open it. No, don't open it.
You don't open it?
No. Dusty then. They can see that plenty good. Camaro taillights. Very nice. That'll make your Camaro look shiny. Especially after we get it painted. Because we probably won't put them on until after it gets painted though. That way they'll be fresh looking with a new paint job.
On to the next.
What's that say? Magnetized material, do not ship by air. Huh. Magnetized. They go giant magnet or something. Oh!
Lots of little goodies.
I see a shop light. What is that? Okay. It's a little test light.
Yeah.
Fuses. Holy crap, that's a lot of fuses.
It is.
250 piece fuse kit. Nice. Ooh, got you some welding magnets. Welding magnets. A drop light. That's a nice looking drop light. Look at 2,000 lumens. And a digital.
That's a metal clamp.
Oh! I think
Open
those.
this one?
Yeah, open one. What is that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, some brand new C-clamps.
These are always fun.
Yeah, you gotta have those. Especially when it comes to do brakes and stuff. But you can use C-clamp for a lot of stuff. Brand new C-clamps. Nice. I know that's an upgrade from what we got. Mine's kind of tweaked out. Let's move this out of the way.
Alright.
Uno mas. Uno mas.
Oh, we got Milwaukee.
Well, it's red, whatever it is. Oh, Milwaukee. Oh, heck yeah. Milwaukee's like the best. Milwaukee Sawzall with a package tray. That's sweet. You know what we can do with that? You know what you're going to do with that?
What?
You're cutting out the floor pan for that 57 Chevy.
I can do that.
57 Chevy time. Now we got the Sawzall. Too bad we ain't got a plasma cutter.
No.
Oh, you got some blade kit for it? Oh, nice. Heck yeah. So now we got the setup. That's a good little day, little birthday present opening for you.
Got so many things to play with.
Yep. Got a Sawzall now for the 57. Got some tail lights. Got a new shop light. New test light. Fuse kit package, which will last for many of these rides we got coming in and in the future. 5-piece jumbo wrench set. And I hear there's more coming. More on the way.
Very nice. I think the wrenches and the Sawzall is going to be my new favorite tools to be using.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you'll love the destruction you can pull off with that Sawzall.
Absolutely.
It'll just slice through anything and everything practically. Especially with the blades they gave you. They gave you enough to do pretty much anything from wood, plastic, metal, whatever.
Alright. So, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you for joining me and opening my presents.
Hey, what about me?
Your birthday's after mine.
Oh, okay.
So, alright. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit that notification button, and come back and hang out with Ashley sometime in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.
Be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.